Right, welcome back, new day. Machine have sent me a replacement panel. I got to say, very quick, because I thought this wasn't going to happen ages. So we have a new panel like so. And this has to fit in there somehow. So I think the best plan of action is to separate the original one from the A panel here. That means we line this bit up with the edge, and then once we've got this edge lined up, we can then mark it inside this part and get that exactly where we need it. So I think first thing first, clean this up, drill out spot welds that we can find, start attacking this, getting it disconnected, see how it goes. That's doing a good job. So you can quite easily see the spot weld there. I'll just finish off around this corner, and yeah, let's keep going. Yeah, so that's the first one there. So that's how I get drilling some of these out. How am I gonna cut out up there? This could be a pain, but I'm going to take the paint remover to that, see if that's real or body filler. I think if it's body filler, that's handy because I can get behind it to get to here. Yeah, so I think there's a repair panel in here as well then. So, see the glue line here? I think behind that is going to be spot welds to this. So let's attack that. Let's get the paint remover again. That's the first one. how am I going to fix this? It's a shame really, because it's just rotten about here. Is it? Move that out of the way. What's the bettings? Metal or body filler? Just give you 5 seconds to count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Seems to be metal. I wasn't expecting that. We haven't got right to the corner yet though, so let's have a look. I think it's gone in the corner there, hasn't it? It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. My life would be a lot easier without the wing on, wouldn't it? Let's have a look, see what's involved in taking these wings off. It's just being migged in places. It's not spot welded, is it? So the question is how they've attached it down here. Mush there. I wonder why that's all smoothed out. It's because they've just migged it and body filled over it. Let's take our cleaning disc, clean here. Because if it's just migged, we'll cut it off. This has turned into a much bigger project than it should have been, wasn't it? Originally, remember, just going to repair that little corner. Now I'm taking the whole front end apart. Yes, that's what we thought, isn't it? Like, I don't get what's going on here. That looks like it's spot welded in. Ah, so that's where they welded the external A panels on, isn't it? Oh, why did you have to be so rusty so high? This will help. I don't know where we're at with the video editing on this, but essentially, the rust goes. Try to edit this in production maybe all the way up. So if I want to repair it, I've got to take the wing off, right? Right, that's it. I've got to take the wing off. Sorry, I took myself into it. Right. Let's put the camera back on charge so we don't forget. Let's show you quickly. Bring the GoPro, be easier. So what I'm trying to do is cut out the welds, but look at the gap between, that's the original bottom panel and that's the top of the wing. And all in between is body filler. So it's not exactly a great fit, is it? Anyway. I can't afford to be replacing panel after panel after panel though. Let's just follow the filler around. Higher. Yeah. Ah, dear. I think, what time are we? 3 o'clock. Starting to get dark. Didn't get done what I wanted to do, but it means I can do it properly, doesn't it? It means I can get in here, fix it, put everything back on charge, and have a look at that tomorrow. All right, good evening, everyone.